Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Monday, and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, today, as you can see, we're going to be working on houses along the river, and we're going to be working right down in this central area right here. Yeah, and the color, hang on, is, oh, this is the one that doesn't tell me the DMC number, so, yep. But it's kind of a blue-greenish gray. I don't know how else to explain it. Yeah. So, how's everybody doing? Are you staying warm? Holy cow. The other night, it was like, what was it? -17 when I got up on Sunday. Yeah. But, I mean, that was felt like, I mean, it was like minus something or other, like 1 or 3. Oh, yeah, it took forever for the house to warm up yesterday. And then it was going to be dark again. I mean, you know, it's like the end of the day. It's like, okay. So hopefully the rest of this week will be better. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Stay warm, people. Holy cow. I did not go anywhere yesterday at all. Was not even in the repertoire. And I laid down to take a couple-hour nap. Yeah. 4 hours later, I woke up. Yeah, I was out cold. But I slept, you know, the night it was frigid and cold and everything, I slept just fine. You know, so I got nothing. But yeah, I'm ready for it to warm up. I worked on the bluebirds and persimmons yesterday. And what else did I work on? Oh, the peacocks. So, got a little bit done in on those. So, but yeah, I was not about going anywhere yesterday. I didn't really have a reason to go out, so yeah. I'm going to pull it that way, and then we're going to pull you in just a bit so you can see this. This is 11 count, and it has 56 colors. Got this from AliExpress. I really think this is beautiful. I just love this picture. And it's kind of wide, if you will, so it's a little hard to maneuver. I've got it folded about 15 times just so I can work in this general area. Oh. Well, I hope that groundhog isn't it next month? Is that right? No, it's the end of February, isn't it? No, I don't remember. Anybody got anything? You know what I'm talking about. I thought Groundhog Day was in February. Am I wrong? Holy cow. You know you don't go to school every day, so you don't remember these things. But around here, it's as cold as it's cold for as long as it's cold. Yeah, that's kind of our rule of thumb. Because some things just don't change. Oh my goodness. Watch some YouTube and FlossTube and Netflix and just put it on and just stitched. I know I told you I was gonna make those eggs, you know, in the green chili, where you drop the eggs actually into the green chili, and and kind of baste them, if you will, with green chili. Yeah, that didn't happen. I made fried eggs, and I heated up a little bit of the green chili and poured it right over the eggs. It went a whole lot faster. Didn't taste as awesome, but, you know. And made some bacon yesterday. Because that all sounded good. I could have made some grits, but, yeah, it didn't feel like that either. So, yeah, did get my split pea soup put in the freezer, what was left of it, so I can have that next month. But I was just a little tired of it. Last night I had a steak. It had been... Come here, you. Oh, you goofy thing. Now it won't come off this stupid needle. Sorry. Holy cow. What is the problem here? That needle up before I stab myself. Let's see, where are we going here? I guess we'll just go right here. It'll be easier. I don't remember. Does it tell? Sorry. It is 175 centimeters, so it's fairly wide. So but the material will, what do you call it, crunch down really well. So it's doing that already, so otherwise it's very easy to handle. Just its size, and the rest of it, it's not like I take the whole canvas and crunch it down. Yeah, that won't be happening, or I won't be able to use my hands for about a week. So I just crunch down an area where I've got to hang on to it and just go from there. Yeah. I really do like that peacock. It is beautiful. Just beautiful. I was stitching on those feathers, you know, like I did for the video, you know. I'm looking, I'm like, where is that lovely teal turquoise color? Oh, I guess it was more turquoise than it was teal. Oh yeah, wanted to start way up there. Well, it was a little farther over than I wanted, but yeah. So I just kept stitching on the feather section. I think I got one, possibly two more symbols there. So, trying to get the one with the majority of the symbols out of the way and then go on to another, but you know, just in that specific area. Don't get excited. It's not like I'm going to use one color all over the whole thing, no. So no grand plans, once again, for the rest of the week. Have no idea what will or won't show up. So we'll just have to play it by ear. Let's see if I'm gonna just do it. Yep, we're just going down this way. I should have gone left, huh? Yeah, let's do that. Hang on. Should have gone right. I'm sorry. Really? Oh, I thought I got it in a knot. Holy cow. Come on, kids. Everybody play. Please. Thank you. I'll just do this section. So what's everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something fun to occupy your brain, because some days I need something to occupy my brain. I needed something to get my mind off how cold it was outside. And that seemed to do the trick, so I just kept stitching. Oop. Don't know what color that red is. There's red and then there's kind of a burgundy down here. I'll have to look it up, but at least there is a picture. Oh my goodness. Ouch. I was gonna drag out my dragon today. My rainbow dragon. But I decided, nah, didn't want to work on that. Might as well put some more stitches into this, since it's so friggin' huge. Now, at one point I was going to turn the whole thing around and start on the other side. Yeah, no, we're good on this side. It has such wide margins. I mean, yes, that's a good thing, but dang. It just, I don't know. It is what it is, but it's really easy to stitch on. The symbols are nice and big and bright and non-smeared, and it doesn't take much to figure out, you know, what symbol is what. And I like the fact that the part of the key is like right here, so that helps. And I usually go looking for something like that has a number on it, so I don't have to, you know, move everything around to go find out what color that is. Yeah, because that frustrates the heck out of me. I have a lot like that. All those great big huge ones, like, what is it called, Watertown Memory, and even the ladies, the symbols are all running across the bottom. So yeah, not handy at all. And then you got to look it up in the book, and yeah, it can be frustrating. So I just do what I can see and go back later and look for something else. That way I get to stitch and not spend 4 days looking for whatever thread I need. Some of these are just too big for their own good, and they were probably meant to be done on a scroll frame, you know, so you could see the whole thing. Yeah. What are we doing here? Get this little corner done over here, and then we'll go someplace else. But this has such pretty colors in it. Just like the looks of it. I'm not looking forward to that pale background, like up there in the sky and all that. I like all the pretty colors. So I guess at some point I'll have to, you know, put a little bit in, then do something else, and put a little bit in. Yeah. You know how them big... Holy cow. Get it together there. How, you know, those big areas just drive me batty. just absolutely batty. But this is a pretty color the way it's stitching up. I still can't tell. I mean, it more so looks like, you know, the blue-green crayon that you had back 410 years ago? Well, maybe not so far for some of you, but for the rest of us, you know, yeah, that was 410 lifetimes ago. It looks like that color. I guess it's blue-green. You get it next to all these different colored symbols and you really can't tell what color it is. So I have no idea what I'm going to be working on this week. Came that close to getting out Colorful Town, but that didn't happen. I went right on past that and moved on. But I really like working on it too. That and that Mediterranean one. Ugh. Just absolutely love them. But I thought we'd give a little love to the 11 count stitches this week. Oh, geez. It's terrible to have to pick and choose, you know? This has some big areas in it too. Not huge, but bigger. Guess I just wanted to see some progress. I have no idea. And you know, out of all this cold, we haven't got but maybe a, I don't know, an 1/8 of an inch of snow. It was enough to cover the ground, so maybe a quarter, okay? An inch of snow. No snow. And what snow there was, it probably would have blown away. So, in a way, that's a good thing. I don't fancy having to brush it off my car. It was kind of a breeze the other day when I went to my daughter's. It was so cold that the snow was powder. It just brushed right off. So I didn't have to do any scraping at all. Thank you so much. And I gotta go to work today. Yay. Fun times to be had by all. We'll see how that goes. All right, let me get that last little stitch and then I'll show you what we got done. Let me pull you out. There we go. Can you see that? So that looks really nice. I have to figure out what's going on here. That's the bottom of whatever this is. And then this starts a different shade. So this is like bright red and then we got like a burgundy, maybe? Yeah. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye bye. Keep stitching.